So, ano na natin yung butter, then garlic. So, ipabrown na natin yung butter. Ang lulutuin natin today kasi ay shrimp with broccoli. Then, with corn. And then, so, and then, ayan, nilagay natin ang onion. Ang ilagay ay corn. Ayan, nilagay ko na ang corn.
Wow! Tawag ka, Daddy.
Sabihin kay Daddy, nag-cook ako. Okay?
From Kentucky, where Ging boyfriend's at.
Buing talaga to. So, nilagay ko ng butter yung corn natin, guys. Ayan. Para masarap. Butter. Ayan. Pinahila natin ng butter. Balik natin. So, ayan. Sabi, mag-cook ng beef stick. So, butter mo na ilagay natin. Lagyan natin ng butter tsaka konting salt. Kasi beef
1
stick.
kilo.
Fat stick. 1 kilo beef stick. So, makapal.
1,140.
So, 1,140.
Yep. Or bring me the
1 pieces lang, ha? Alright.
Bring me the beef.
Now, it's cooking.
More butter. Yeah, you ain't fucking up my beef steak.
Kapag ako nag-cook niyan, ma-over.
Microwave 10 minutes. Don't cook, just set in there.
Yeah.
Just set 10 minutes, that's it.
Yes, sir.
5:39.
Pogi muna. Pogi. Show your pogi. Your pogi. Tapos na, mother there. Ito yung nagyan ng butter with salt. Then, ito naman yung ating shrimp with mushroom and corn. Bye!
Michael's dessert, grapes.
your eye hand looks tired.
I'm tired.
Looks feel asleep.
Also makes me tired.
Yeah, green grapes.
This is Marte.
Let me taste this. Oh, not Marty.
It's like a Filipino man utin.
Uy. All right, go.
This is why Nanay and Tatay can't get a deep drinking water well in the Philippines, because Michael has to buy very expensive whiskey and beef steak.
Sure, Bato.
Kentucky bourbon whiskey.
Where am I?
We, Ging and me went to Kentucky, 1,500 kilometers away, and bought